Okay, let's check the camera. Is it ready? Are we ready?
Yeah, my makeup looks good. I'm ready. Let's go.
Hello, lovely crafters. Welcome back to my show. Today we're not gonna craft. I'm going to review Rainbow High Victoria Whitman. What? A doll from another company? I know, she's not Mattel, but I think she deserves an attention.
First, I'd like to review the packaging. Even the box is so lovely. It's holographic, beautiful graphic. For sure, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm keeping it. I admit, the packaging is better than Barbie's. I'm sorry, Barbie. Now the fun part. Let's unbox her. So this is it. It's got a comb, a stand, and another accessories that I'm going to explain later. Now let's go to her pink bedroom that she borrowed from Barbie.
So, as a 22 joints doll,
And me 15 joints doll.
we'd like to compare about what we can do. Now, let's start from the arm and hand.
Okay.
Can you do this?
Almost, but not as flexible as you.
Okay, now the torso. Can you do this?
Of course not. You know I don't have torso joint.
Right. Now let's try a leg.
Okay.
Can you do this?
I can only go this far.
Right, so 22 joints Barbie still wins the most possible and flexible doll ever.
Yes, you win it.
Now let's make up battle.
Oh, I'm gonna win this round. I have big 3D glassy eyes with 3D eyelashes.
While mine are just printed eyes.
Of course, but I think we both have lovely natural color makeup.
I really love your ombre lip color.
Thanks! So which one do you like? Barbie's makeup or Rainbow High's makeup? Now let me show you my accessories. I have 2 cloth hangers, even though I only have a pair of clothes so far. And then a big comb that you can use for your own, and a hair dryer, and then a cute sewing machine. I think Barbie can use it also. And then a big eyeshadow palette and a mobile phone with a removable casing. I don't think Barbie can borrow this eyeshadow palette because it's so big, like a laptop.
This sewing machine is so cute and fits my size. Can I borrow it?
Sure, but I don't think you can borrow my eyeshadow palette and hair dryer. Even for me, it's too big.
Well, surely your big eyes need a lot of eyeshadow.
Yeah, I guess so. But the most important thing is they're pink.
So, what do we do next?
Let's get up close and personal to me. Let's get closer. So you've seen my makeup already. It's so detailed, natural color, and as you know, I have freckles all over my body. And now, let's look at my legs. I have a very natural shape of leg. My feet are rather big compared to any other dolls, so I can never borrow any shoes. And fun fact about my legs, the other one is a little longer. So, I can keep posing like this. What a perfect unperfection. And yeah. Now let's look at my beautiful hair. Of course, I have more hair than Barbie because I have bigger head. So I have soft blonde wavy hair with a little bit of pink highlight, some gel in some part. Honestly, I'm not gonna brush it to ruin the shape. So small children, stay away from me and don't brush my hair.
And then we're going to try whether Rainbow High fits Barbie's furniture.
Alright, let's try it. Hey, it fits well. I can sit on your chair.
Great! But I think the table is a little bit higher for you, but for sure, my bed fits you well.
Now let's try some clothes. Fashion montage! First, I'm gonna try this regular Barbie-sized dress. Voila! So, it's like... okay, but not in the best size. Like, look at the shoulder strap. It's not good. So my torso is kinda small, but short. Even though my big hips fit this flare skirt, overall, it's not the best. So I'd like to try Barbie curvy size dress. Voila!
Oh, it looks good on you. But I have to wear something else because your dress doesn't fit me at all.
I love it. I'd like to try it later.
Sure.
Okay, let's look at this dress. It's simple A-line and it's perfect for my body shape. I think it's a kind of all-size dress for all kind of dolls, whether it's skinny or curvy. It's probably the simplest pattern that you can sew yourself, since it's kinda difficult for me to find a dress unlike Barbie. And then, last but not least,
Oh, it's lovely.
looks like curvy Barbie-sized dress fits me best. Let's look at it closer. Is there any secret? Yes, it's on the back. This is what I have to do because turns out my upper body is skinnier than curvy Barbies, while the hip size perfectly fits. So, this is it. I think it's not a problem for a photo shoot or video. The most important thing is it looks good from the front. So, do you think Rainbow High is worth it? Leave your thought in the comment and see you in my other show. Bye!